to you and your squad. What a way to kick off the new month of February. Na unang-una, Ivy, what a way to start off the month. Again, 15 points, 15 attacks. Nakausap kita kanina sa dugout and you were telling me that for Akari, usually you have these slow starts, pero that wasn't the case today. Sa tingin mo, ano yung mga preparations that really made the difference?
Siguro po, mas nagtyaga kami no first set talaga kasi parang gusto po namin mabago yung slow start po kami palagi.
Well, in set number 2 and in set number 3, Capital One started to really, pick up the pace. You had much longer rallies. Ano yung mga key in-game adjustments that you believe really made the difference and allowed your team to pull away?
Same pa din po, sunod pa din po kami sa game plan and syempre mag-adjust din po kami kasi nag-adjust din po yung kalaban. Ayun po, and then supportahan po kami sa isa't isa.
Now, Ivy, this is quite a statement win for Akari, especially with your up and down conference and especially without your starting setter, si Captain Michelle Cobb today. Now, how do you plan to carry this momentum into your next matches?
Syempre po, nakakataas po ng moral yung game po today and hindi pa din po kami titigil, trabaho pa din po. Balik po kami ulit sa drawing board and sunod palagi po sa game plan ni Coach Taman.